Hello, everybody. Michel Crippa is a well-known Italian chef, particularly remarkable for the quality of his palate. He can tell you how old a Parmesan cheese is, or at what altitude a particular glass of milk was produced. And then one day last May, he woke up and made himself a cup of coffee and found it just tasted of water. Like so many people suffering from COVID, he'd lost his sense of taste and smell. But because for him it wasn't just a question of finding his taste and his smell giving him pleasure, it was also his livelihood. And so he set about working out how, as quickly as possible, he could recover it. And working with a group of scientists who call themselves the Tasting Research Centre, he's developed a program which involves memory, because it seems that the bit of our brain that deals with memory also deals with taste and smell. And so if you can recall an occasion associated with a particular taste or smell, then you are encouraging your own capacity to do that, to re-emerge. I'm glad now that he's fully recovered. Peaches apparently no longer taste like basil, and putting no longer does putting sour milk into his coffee make no difference. But reading the article made me want to celebrate our capacity to taste, as well as to sympathise with COVID sufferers who've lost that ability. You probably know some of the science that there are between 5 and 10,000 taste buds in our mouth, and each of those taste buds has little hairs, which are microscopic in size, but which will absorb the what's in your mouth and send messages to your brain telling you about it. And then there's also the nose, because the food releases chemicals which go up into your nose, into your olfactory receptors, and they too report back to the brain whether what you're tasting is to your liking or not. And it's a remarkable, way of giving us the kind of pleasure that tasting and smell does. And so today, whilst sympathising again with those who can't do this just at the moment, I'm going to really celebrate my capacity to taste and smell things, and to enjoy what I eat and what I drink today with this special pleasure, knowing the extraordinary makeup in my human body that enables me to have that kind of delight.